Hey, and welcome to the complete Selenium WebDriver course. My name is Nikolai, and I'm going to be your automation testing instructor for this course. I'm the CEO and founder of ultimateqa.com. I'm also one of the most popular Selenium WebDriver instructors in the world, and I was voted as one of 33 automation engineers to follow in 2017 by TechBeacon. You know why learning Selenium WebDriver sucks? Is that when you're done at the end of the course, the technical skills that you have are really hard to apply at the workplace. This is actually the problem that I faced for multiple years. I had excellent technical skills, but I was not able to take those technical skills and apply them at the workplace. The reason for this was that nobody was teaching me how to create a robust test automation framework, a good test architecture that would allow me to create tests in a very fast and robust manner that would last for a really long time. So that's the purpose of this entire course that I created here. I'm gonna take you a complete beginner, step by step, as you learn Selenium WebDriver, create an automation framework, and be able to build robust test automation. First, I'm gonna teach you C# and Visual Studio. Afterwards, you're going to learn a bunch about Selenium WebDriver. You're going to learn how to install the tools, how to locate web elements, how to interact with those web elements, interrogate them, manipulate them, perform mouse and keyboard interactions. And then finally, we're going to jump deep into the framework. You're going to learn how to build a robust test automation framework that allows you to build your tests in a quick manner, keeping everything efficient, creating as little mess as possible, and your tests will be living for a very long time. So, I'm very excited to have you here with me today. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you in deep detail everything that we're going to cover in each of the sections. So, let's go ahead and jump into those videos. I'll see you there.